Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this mini map that you see on the screen here. So let's get started. First, I have a simple scene set up with four simple floor tiles just to make it so easier to see. And then I have this player with the player script. It's all pretty simple. I just use the same script for all my projects. And then in the player, you're going to want to add a control node, and then under the control node, or you're going to want to make the control node full screen or full rect. Then under the control node, you're going to want to add a viewport container, make that a bit bigger and put it in the spot where you want your mini map to be. Then under the viewport, you're going to want to add a viewport, and then put the viewport size to whatever size you want. I'd use 200 by 200 because that makes a nice square, but you can do whatever you want. Then under the viewport, you're going to add a camera, move the camera up, and then turn it 270 degrees on the x-axis, and then use the preview tab to see how far up you want your mini map to be. I've had mine pretty low because this is just a tutorial, but you can do whatever you want. And then if you go to the 2D tab, you see it's perfect. And then you're going to want to add a color rect, make it black or whatever color you want, and then move it above the viewport container, not in it, but above it, and then make it slightly bigger than your viewport container so that you can use it as an outline so you can see the mini map better. Mine looks like this. It's pretty good. And then in the camera node, you're going to want to add a script. Just the default settings is perfectly fine. And then in this script, you're wanting to do your physics process. And you're going to do, it's kind of a long line of code, but it's translation.x equals get parent dot get parent dot get parent dot get parent dot translation dot x, which you can see right here. It's pretty simple. And then yeah, just translation.x, and add the parentheses there. Oops. And then you're just going to do Control D to duplicate the line, or you can just copy and paste it. And then you're going to replace the .x to .z, and then that's the entire mini map done. And if you run it, and you see it works perfectly fine, exactly how you would expect it to work. And you see how all those floor tiles are moving based on where I'm going. Anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do next time. Bye!